I think. Okay, now, are there any more? Get out of that cacao thing. Give me a reader clue. You will find it if you're naughty. That's coal. I don't know what the former name for Mally is. I'm going to have to look that up. In a sly way, I still don't know what that one is. Pepsi's rival's name is Coke, or Coca, so it's C-O-C-A. And now I've already forgotten my first end back. So I've got cocoa. Shoe with a thick wooden sole is clog. So I've got clog in my end back, C-L. I've got cocoa in my end back, C-O. So I put them in here in my mind. A C-L word and a C-O word. Now let's see what the third one is. I just need to cycle through a little bit and it'll show me coli or whatever. I don't want that one. Former name for Molly, don't know that. Don't know what in a sly way is. Clog, coca. Let's just go with an end back for 2 then. It's been like 25 minutes I've been working this. I get a little bit tired. Clog. Hey, I've reached genius. Yay. Coca. Back to the hints. We've got 33 words. I'm going to have to look up the former name for Mali. Oh wait, it's not Ali, it's Muhammad Ali, which would be Clay. Cassius Clay. Okay, so now I've got Clay. One of the things I like about taking my time to work the spelling bee every day is it forces my mind to keep making connections. Because I thought it was the island of Mali, but no, it was Cassius Clay. It's a good clue. Spherical bacteria, something with coli. Clay. That's from reader Aha Delayed. Great name. Clay in an isolated manner. How about isolated? I don't think we have that. So clay. Isolated. I don't know. So it's been 27 minutes. I'm getting kind of tired. I'm going to go down here and go to show list of clues. Not forming a closed chain. I don't know what that is. In a sly way. Cautious or sly. C-A-Y. I don't know what that is. Ciao. Italian hi-bye is ciao. Tiny hair-like structures are cilia, or cilia. So let's go ciao, cilia. So I've got those two. So now I just go through and finish up the puzzle, basically. You'll find it if you're naughty. Coal, that's the one I had earlier and I couldn't remember. Pepsi is a cola. So now I've got coal and cola. Cyclic. There was another Y word there. Okay, so coal, cola, cyclic. So now I'm at the point in the puzzle where I just kind of want to get